Westchester, with the end of summer comes a lot of new properties for sale. So that was one of the biggest things I saw for this week's market update. So I want to show you the screen so you can jump and see 15 properties for sale in 1 week. Not normal. So we can see that they range from the millions all the way down to, let's take a look. You can see all this. So the cheapest one's a 2-1 for $699,000. The days of getting a home for $300,000 are over. The biggest one is almost a 5,000 square foot home, 6 bedroom, 7 baths for $2 million. You can see that the price per square foot here on these two, remember this is active. This is what they're asking for. This isn't what it's going to sell for. Is dramatic. There's a large range between this. And what we can see is, let's jump into looking at what's actually sold. So we saw 8 properties sell. Here are the addresses. You can look at it. I like to do it this way. Here's the sale price, and I'm going to do it from cheapest to most expensive this week. So you're looking at 500,000 all the way to 960. And this is the list price. This is what they were asking. That's why it's important to identify it. On the lower end, they usually get what they're asking for. On the upper end, it's not always there. Number of beds, full baths, half baths, total square footage, the year built, number of garages, if there's a pool, the lot square footage, whether it's a waterfront home, and then the consecutive days on market. So if they took it off the market, went back, took it off, went back, it still shows up here. And then this is the subdivision. So me being a visual person, I like to look at it. It gives me a good feeling. So we have a $500,000 home here. We have a $780,000 home. We have a $600,000 home. 500,000, 960, 695, 606, and 604. So when you combine all this on the sold side, you can see that the range for the lower is about the same from the other one. The range for the highest, it's not the same kind of property, so it's not going to be as high. But this is what's average. This is what's normal for our area. Upper 300,000, 375, 389. That area is a very safe bet for the average home here in Westchester. And we can see that it's taking 11 days for these properties to sell. Inventory levels are still very low. We're at about 2 months of inventory still, and there's not enough supply, so that way we can meet all the demand. So we're seeing homes sell very quickly. So make sure that you follow my channel if you find this helpful, specifically for Westchester. And for those of you that don't know, this back here is an old picture. You can tell by the cars. It's an old-timey picture of the Tropicare drive-in movie theater. And this was where the current Tropicare Plaza is. And for those of you that don't recognize it, the Target, the Best Buy, that furniture store, the Publix, that area there where the Taco Bell is too, in front of Tropical Park, was a movie theater back in the day. And it got changed to a plaza. So I love having these historic pictures of our area. And make sure to like, subscribe, leave me a comment. Always love to share all this information with you.